Hello everyone, this is Julian from Cannon Coffee, and today we have a Bezzera BZ13 espresso machine with us in the shop. This is a heat exchanger semi-automatic machine, and it came in because the machine was having a hard time heating up, and sometimes it'll heat up after an hour or so, sometimes it just wouldn't heat up at all. I wasn't able to get it to heat up when we were doing the testing, so we replaced the relay right here. As you can see, this is the original one. And we replaced that, and also we ended up replacing the entire PID. This is the old board to the PID, as you can see, and then this would be the light fixture to the PID. And yeah, we replaced both of them, and we're now back to normal. So it boots up instantly, it warms up, and then that temperature you see there is the heater that's on the group head. And so there's not really an indication where your steam temp's at, but you can change your steam temp. As you can see, we do have steam though, really good amount of steam. And then just to show, you do get hot water too. And that'll activate the pump if you take too much out. But now we're gonna test brewing a shot on this machine with our test coffee. Don't worry if this runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate our grinders per machine. We just put coffee in there. And so we're going to test. If water comes out, here's a shot. And pretty much what we did after that is we did a complete tune-up. We cleaned the entirety of the group head, replaced the gasket. I had to add a spacer in there just to make sure that the portafilter was nice and snug. So you have one spacer in there, and then did back flushing on the machine, did a descaling on the boiler and the heat exchanger. As you can see, the amount of water that comes out the front is really good, nice and cleaned up. Back flushing this thing took quite a while because there was a lot of coffee buildup, so I back flushed it until it was coming out clear. But there's always going to be a little bit of buildup that's always going to stay behind just because of how much is packed up in there. And then descaled till it ran clear also. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. As you can see, it's starting to build up again, right back to normal. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.